Hey guys, Wicked Sailor here, back with another video. In today's episode of That's Not a Submarine, we have a recovery of a van and trailer at the Back River Ramp in Weymouth. So we got a call from the Quincy PD that there was a truck or a van that had backed into the ramp and the trailer was still attached. I got in the water and inspected the trailer and realized that it was up jackknife and up under the dock. So what we had to do was try to get it out from under the dock, and that way they could get it out of the water without damaging the dock as it got pulled under. So here you see me underwater investigating, and this is going along the side of the van, and I'm going up to the front of the van and looking for a good spot to attach the J-hook that the tow truck driver gave me. So there was already a tow truck on scene. He had showed me his setup. He gave me a J-hook, and so now I'm looking for a good spot to attach that. And in a minute you'll see kind of like a slow-mo shot of the area that I chose to attach it. So you can see like brake lines, and you can see it's part of the chassis there. But this one spot, I'll tell you when, is where we decided to attach. So that you can kind of see it now, that bar that's going across right there. So you see that bar with the hole in it? I think that's referred to as the control arm. So that's where I'm taking the J-hook and hooking into the bottom of the truck.
If you can get it on this side,
Okay.
can you get it on this side?
Yeah.
It's all hooked up to the cable, so
So the visibility was bad, so I kind of wanted to try a slow-mo shot here so you could see the hook that he gave me. So now I'm going back under, and unfortunately you can't see me hooking onto the control arm because the visibility was poor. But you can see the hook in my hand, and then I connect it and come back up and let them know that it's all good to go. Okay, so now they're starting to winch in the van, and you'll see the top of the van start to move. You'll see some air bubbles come out, and then at the end of this clip you'll see that it gets the trailer starts getting snagged under the dock. So the police officer there on the dock asks the tow truck driver to hold it, and then I'll go back and take another look.
What's that cop got over there? Looks like he's playing a video game. Oh, he's got a drone up. Look at that. Yeah. Sick. That's the drone I want to get, Mike.
Oh yeah?
That's like one of those pro. It's got the like screen. The trailer is?
Yeah,
Yep.
So here we decided that we were going to try to take a tow line and connect to the trailer and try to straighten it out so it's not jackknifed the way it was as the tow truck driver was trying to pull it up and getting caught under the dock. So we took a carabiner attached to our tow bridle. We went around the end of the trailer, and then Captain Mike is going to rig it up on his towboat and try to drag the trailer so that it's straight behind the van.
It's not jammed up, Mike, but when it swings, it's going to be tight.
For those of you that don't know, Captain Mike used to run the Harbor Express boats out of Quincy, Hingham, and Hull into Boston. He did that from 1999 to 2018. So if you're ever on one of those boats as a commuter during that time, there's a good chance Mike was the captain. So now I'm going back under to just investigate and see if everything's clear before the tow truck driver gets the okay to continue pulling up the van.
The wood on this side is already broke.
Okay.
So it's just going to keep coming. The wood broke off. It's broken half. It's still attached to the trailer. But
So here I'm explaining to the harbor master that the trailer is now clear. There was a wooden bunk that had snapped, and so now both sides of the end of the trailer are clear, and we're going to give the tow truck driver the okay to continue winching the van out of the water.
yeah, there's the... It's going like that.
Okay.
Hey guys, Wicked Sailor here. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the videos. And before I leave, I want to leave you with a humble request. My uncle has recently started a podcasting venture on YouTube. And if you're into true crime, pro wrestling, I'd invite you to discover the PLAYA Entertainment Network, your go-to source for a compelling range of podcasts that entertain, inform, and connect. His lineup features gripping true crime with The Bad Girl, The PLAYA, and The Stars on Monday nights, the nostalgic When It Was Real with wrestling historian Nikita Breznikov on Wednesdays, and classic pro wrestling with the WFIA every Thursday night. Each show brings you engaging stories, in-depth conversations, and a vibrant community of listeners. He's just getting started. There are even more shows and exciting content on the way. Make sure to like and subscribe wherever you enjoy your podcast so you won't miss a single moment. The PLAYA Entertainment Network is your companion for every commute, late night, or any time you crave great audio storytelling. I'm going to have a link in the description. It would mean a lot if you guys could subscribe to his channel, like, share, check it out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Wicked Sailor out.